How to change your domain name on Wix. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your domain name on Wix. Whether you're naming your free Wix site URL or connecting your own custom domain. Let's get started. First, log into your Wix account. On your dashboard, choose the site you want to edit and click Select Site. Once it loads, go to the top right and click Site Actions. That's the three dots at the top right. Then, select Rename Site. Now, you can update the site name. For example, type in change site, then below you will see the free site URL. Go ahead and change that to match your new site name. Then, click Save. And you have now renamed your site and update the free Wix domain. Now, if you want to connect a domain, here's how. From your site dashboard, click Connect Domain. Wix will ask what domain you want to connect. Here, Wix will ask what domain you want to connect. Type it in. For example, I will type in changesite.com. If the domain is already taken, but it's yours, just click Yes, I own this domain and follow the prompts to connect it. If you don't own it, Wix will show you suggested domain alternatives. Pick one you like, follow the steps to buy or connect it, and publish your site. And that's it. You have successfully changed your domain on Wix. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.